Okay, I decided to make some videos for you. Well, I made one. It's going to focus on the and. But go ahead and do these 7, 8, turn it, oh, you know what to do. Turn off your iPad and do these 8, and then we have 2 more at the bottom. And of course, turn it back on when you're done, and then I'll do them. Okay, I'm assuming you're done. So here's bigger than 4. Here's bigger than 10. Okay. Or says wherever there's shading, bring it. So here's shading here, here's shading here. So this is greater than 4. That takes care of the greater than 10. So the answer is greater than 4. But if it's an and, the shading has to be on top of each other, overlapping, which in this case would be x is greater than 10. Now this one, here's less than 4, yowzer. Here's greater than 10. And says it has to be shaded on top of each other. True for both. So there's no shading on top anywhere. So it's just a blank number line and no reals. So this one, or wherever they're shading, bring this down, bring this down. So it'd be this one. Whee. And this one, 16. Whee. Now this one, here's greater than 4. Here's less than 10. So, wow, where's their overlappage? Well, for the and, you got to see it on both, so that would be between the two. 4, 10, whip-de-doo. For an or, it's wherever the shading, so notice the shading covers everything, so it'd be all reals. Everything shading, wee, and then all reals. Okay, these two. So this has to be an and because there's no or set and it's squished together. And's the only one that gets squished. So get rid of the minus 6. So I add 6. 26 is less than or equal to 2x, which is less than. Oh, time for a little break to talk about Dr. Pepper. It may give you heartburn, but it's a good heartburn. Yummy, yummy. Okay, back to the class. So I'm going to divide everything by do-si-do. So it'll be 13 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 23. So that would be everything between the two. And this one, divide by -1. So x is less than, got to switch the inequality, -10. Here, divide by do-si-do. X is greater than 5. So here's less than -10. Yowzer. Greater than 5. Yowzer. Oh no! This cannot be. So therefore it is a blank number line. No reals. It's got to be shaded on top of each other. And I kind of messed up there. I was looking wrong. I should have put the 5 here. And there's no shading on top of each other, so it's no reals. Okay, do those two, and then turn me back on. Okay, this one is x is greater. The mouth is trying to eat the x, so the x is greater than the 5. And here you take the opposite. X is greater than 10. So that's these. Whee! So where's there overlapping on both? Greater than 10. Now if this would have been an or, it's greater than 5 because it's wherever they're shading. But this is greater than 10 because it's got to be true for both for an and. This one, multiply both sides by 2. X is greater than 40. Here, Multiply both sides by the reciprocal, that'd be negative 4/3. 3 goes into 90 30 times. 30 times 4 is 120, and two negatives make a positive. But gotta switch the inequality. So here's greater than 40. Here's less than 120. Where's their overlappage? Right between the two. Because I don't see shading here, don't see shading here. So 40, 120, Okay, so that's a nice little review. We'll review a little bit in class at the start of class, and then we'll go from there. Have a good day.